This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to connect a PS4 controller to a PC via USB. First, ensure you have your DualShock 4 controller ready, along with a compatible USB micro B cable. This cable has a small, trapezoidal connector for the controller and a standard rectangular connector for your computer. Make sure your personal computer is powered on and running its operating system, ready to accept new hardware. Gathering these items first will make the setup process smooth and efficient. Begin by taking the smaller, micro B end of your USB cable. Gently insert this into the port located on the top edge of your DualShock 4 controller. Next, take the standard USB end of the cable and plug it into an available USB port on your personal computer. You should feel a slight click as it securely connects. Your computer will typically provide an audible notification or a small on-screen pop-up, indicating that new hardware has been detected and is being initialized. Often, your Windows operating system will automatically install the necessary drivers as soon as you connect the controller. This process usually happens in the background, taking only a few moments. However, if your computer does not automatically recognize the device, you may need to manually download drivers. Visit Sony's official support website for your region and search for DualShock 4 drivers. Follow their instructions to install any recommended software, ensuring full controller functionality. After connection and driver installation, it is crucial to test your controller's functionality. You can do this by navigating to your PC's game controller settings, usually found in the control panel or device manager. Here, you should see your DualShock 4 listed and be able to test individual button presses and analog stick movements. Alternatively, open a game that supports controllers or use a free online controller tester to ensure all inputs are working correctly before diving into gameplay.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.